All right, it is currently, well, it's currently raining out of nowhere. Yesterday it started raining when I got off of work. Picked up a load yesterday. I got called in pretty late just to go pick up a load. So me and Jose Luis went to the same place. We're actually going to deliver it to the same place. I think the same place, to be honest. He's about to pull up. It's like 4:55, 4:54, something like that. He should be pulling up here in a second. Either way, he got his load before I did, before I got mine. Anyways, picked up 43,000 and some change in weight. I really didn't want to be here. This is Christmas Eve, man. A lot of things to do today that I won't be able to get to. Look at this day though. See, on my GoPro, I wouldn't have been able to capture this kind of scenery. This is beautiful, to be honest. Yeah, and then I have to get in there. Ugh. Anyways, just look at this stunning view. Yeah. Jose just pulled up. About to go say hi to him. Bro's got the nicest Tesla I've seen. Garp! Isn't this the fucking sickest Tesla you've ever seen, guys? Look at this shit. This thing is beautiful, guys. Oh, that picture shit, bro. Fuck, I just turned my shit on. I don't give a fuck. I was showing the world your beautiful Tesla that I envy so much.
Drive it around, bro. Take it for a spin.
I've never driven one.
No?
No. I was in my brother's. Yeah. He had a this SUV, the smaller one.
The Y?
Yeah, the Y. Bro, that thing was sick. The thing that scares me is the regen braking. Does it really pull you or no?
No.
Nah, I'll drive it later, bro. I mean, enclosed, yeah, but let's check out the inside. Yeah. That screen is crazy. The screens in Teslas, they always get me, bro.
Yeah.
They just float in there. It just floats.
Oh, look, I really printed this one. For like a tissue holder, you know? So,
Oh, you 3D printed that?
yeah, so like, no blurry nose and shit.
You guys, he 3D prints if you guys are interested. Yeah. No, it's just a hobby for him. Don't hit him up. Hit me up. And then I'll ask him to print me something. I'll charge you. Literally just got here before you, who's already taking off. Yeah. Didn't let the bitch warm up. I really do like Teslas. Teslas are safe as hell. Safety features are next level. Damn, have the AC on? The AC. I gotta charge my phone, iPad. How much battery is on this iPad? Beautiful. As you guys know, I love cab overs. This is a clean one too. We've made it to this location, Pepsi. We have made it here. As you can see, if this place is like the other place that we got loaded at, what they're gonna have us do is they're going to make us drop the trailer in one of the parking slips somewhere, and then a yard hustle will come and get it, put it out the door, and then the trailers are gonna get loaded, and then once they're done, the yard hustle again will pull it out of the door and set it in the middle for us to come get. We just gotta be paying attention to it. So hopefully it goes smoothly because I'm not trying to be here all day. It's the 24th, and I was supposed to go out and do things, but here we are. So let's do it. All right, so I'm checked in. Apparently he wasn't supposed to get here until like, I don't know, 7 a.m. But they took him in, and me at like actually 6 a.m. I was good actually. So let me go over here real quick. I wonder what door Jose Luis got, because I'm at door 11. I cannot see right now. How close am I? Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh, he's gonna come over here? All right. Can we keep this? The whole fucking envelope, cuz. Bro literally moved his car with his phone. How you do that there?
How you do that there? Hold on.
Oh, let me see this. Park right here, sir. Right here. Come here. Come. Bring your ass. Bring your ass. Fuck you then. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Hey, yo. Hey. Damn, stopped on a time, bro. That bitch said, ugh. So me and the wife, say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna go drop off the Christmas presents to my parents' house because we're gonna have the white elephants, the Christmas over there. And then we gotta go to this auction place that one of my friends put me on. And I'm gonna gatekeep the name of it because I don't want you guys on it, because it's a little addicting.
It is.
So we're gonna do that, come back home. We don't have nothing else to do, right?
And go with your parents later on.
By yourself?
We're gonna all go to your parents later.
Oh.
Today's 24th.
That's what I'm saying.
That's about it.
Oh, okay. Alright, so let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Shit. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, motherfucker. We're here at the auction. Someone's gonna come over here and get our info.
Hello, motherfucker. Hello, motherfucker.
Oh, wow. So we're gonna go do that. Bo got the... Oh,
And the other one.
come on, focus. The Temu/Wish wing on there. Wicked. And the other one got the what?
The purple car and had the big ass lip. Looked like someone punched it.
Yeah, we see the purple. Alright, we did what we had to do. ¿Qué pasó, papá? So I'm gonna head, well, we just got to my dad's house. Hungry Howie's, bro? Who got Hungry Howie's?
Your daddy.
Wow. Don't say daddy, bro.
Oh my god. Full teddy bear.
You call me? ¿Los tamales, bro?
Ya está listo para que los haga.
Ya está todo preparado.
Música.
Lávate la mano. Vete a bañar.
What's with the secrecy?
Get enough of that. Don't worry about it.
Oh, and it has cheesy crust. Mmm. What crust is that? Alright, so basically what we're going to do is they have a fire pit here. This fire pit here is actually going to go over there by the sliding door, the porch sliding door. It's okay, look, there's more. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move literally everything here, over there. We moved the table that was originally over there. We slid it this way, so let's get to it. Take chairs, put two, one on the wall and one on that pillar facing this way. So that way we can get the chairs in the area, and then that's pretty light.
Oh, it's not pretty light.
Yeah, it is. Come on, bring the chairs. Is that my phone? You like Reiko? How's it look over here, bro? How's it look?
Looks good, bro.
I try to improve my skills once a year. What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Madre, ¿cuántos tamales hiciste?
Salieron 113 tamales.
Justo a tiempo.
Jenny.
All right, so I got my ugly sister in the kitchen. I mean, my sister in the kitchen.
The most pretty sister.
All right, folks. So for Thanksgiving, we have some turkey. You know what I'm saying?
Salvadorian turkey.
Salvi turkey.
Los salvadoreños.
And some tamales. Oh my God, they're the best. This whole tray was full. What happened? Oh. Yo. It's still full though. Yeah, that's gonna be mine to take home. Check this out. I can even flip it towards me. And then we go like this. And then we go like this. Anyways, this is Headcore. Headcore right here. When he was first dating my sister, I saved him under Headcore instead of Hector. And I never changed it. It stayed.
You have dyslexia?
I did. I do. I don't know which is which anymore. I know I had one of them. And this fridge is open. And then here we have our Christmas tree with all the gifts for the little ones here. And my mama's house. Oh, no, other way. Voltate vos. Not you, mom, the camera. There we go. There's my beautiful mom. And then she got all of this done here. Vomito. And then on the outside, we obviously have the fire going on. Caitlin is over here acting hella weird, just smiling, awkwardness. You know, the usual. I like this canopy that they have. It's so like, reminds me of an RV almost. Somewhat of an RV. But anyways, in a little bit we're gonna be over here doing s'mores. They got the stuff right there on the counter. Right here for the s'mores. The s'mores. All right, later.
Sí.
Hi, la
Smile. Oh, your teeth. I want to see your teeth, Nate. Nate.
Big smiles, big smiles.
All right, now go. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Over here. Madre hermosa.
Emma.
Bebé.
Emma, go like that. Merry Christmas. There it is. Good job. Oh my gosh.
Ay, that's not you.
Hold on, Mama. Hold on. No open.
Bravo!
Woo!
You want me to help you?
No, sit down, hold on.
Oh, it has tape. Oh, we might need a little, like,
Emily.
She's excited about what she got you, huh? Go for it, baby.
What is it, bro?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Christmas gone wrong.
What is it, bro?
What you got?
Oh!
How did you know? He loves the Cardinals and
I got you that.
That's so cool.
This red card likes the day.
Oh, and there's more.
A picture.
It's illegal.
Picture. A ver, una, dos, tres. Ay, so cute.
It's fine. You don't need it no more.
There's more.
Okay.
Oh my
What is it, bro? What is it?
What in the world?
Oh my God.
Whoa. That's
These
real
are
cool.
suit. Oh my
Oh,
God.
suit.
You don't like suits? Yes, I do.
Oh, and a shirty. Stop it. Take it. Stop it. Oh, that's great. All right. You got Mia. Mia's not here, but you can give it to her mom, okay? And she's going to open it later.
Yeah, give a hug to Titi.
Yeah.
Nice. Give a hug to her. I'm going to take a picture. Because
Huggies. Huggies.
a Mia.
Ah.
Mia.
Okay.
Okay.
Se lo va a dar a Mia, ¿verdad?
Okay. Next.
¿Y a Mía quién le tocó?
Next is Nate.
A Mia, ¿quién le tocó?
Oh, Mia.
Mia to who?
Oh, right here. Me and Nate. Okay.
Okay.
Say thank you.
For me?
Oh, let's put it on the ground.
Yeah, it's a little heavy.
He's so happy.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, dang.
You're going to hit it.
Cut.
They got something easy.
Go, Nick. Go,
You
Nick.
have to be patient, okay?
You got to rip it, baby.
What is it, Nick?
Wow. More Play-Dohs. Wow. What? In the world?
Yeah, it was a bulk.
Awesome.
Nate, can you say thank you?
You're welcome.
Open the other one, Nate.
This one, Baba?
You gotta go. Yeah, el último pedazo.
Sí, le quitas el último pedazo.
What is it, Nate?
That's a cute wrapping paper.
What is it?
Yeah, we found it last minute too.
Yeah?
What is it, Nate? What is
I
it?
wonder what it is.
Oh,
It's Amazon.
Oh, we love Amazon.
Guys, can you open the package?
Let's speed up the process.
Okay, we
gonna
started
get?
a
What are
little
we gonna
early,
get?
so we got
We can
time.
take time. All right.
What is it?
Ya que estás ahí.
You see it?
Oh,
What is it, Nate?
gosh.
Oh my God! Just Play-Doh, 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 and Play-Doh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bravo day!
All right, Nate. Good job. Papa, now it's your turn.
Your turn.
You gotta
You're
give
gonna
your
give the present. present. To who?
Nate, ven.
Who got
You're gonna give this. You're gonna give this to her.
Rumi.
Dáselo a ella. These two.
Rumi.
Okay. Dáselo a la mamá. Dile es for Leslie.
Leslie.
Ahí está Leslie.
¡Ah, ya se despertó!
Leslie.
It's for Leslie.
Go. It's go.
Go with
Can
mommy.
you give it to her, papi?
It's for you. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, let's go, mommy. Let's go, mommy.
Merry Christmas.
Emma,
Merry Christmas.
Emma, sit down, mama.
Thank you.
Sit right here, okay?
Emma, Gris, aquí. Leslie, vamos. Ay, Dios mío.
Open, mama, open.
Open it.
Wow. I wonder what it is.
What is it?
What is it?
There's like a special theme. There's a special.
Imagine. Oh my God, it is. Bro, we started playing with them.
This one?
There's like a theme to this Christmas, I think.
I know.
I'm liking it.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
What is it, Mama?
Go, 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 mama.
Wow, look at that.
There is a thing.
What is it? Ice cream.
It's so you can make Play-Doh ice cream.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh. You can't eat it.
Yeah.
Igual que
I'm gonna test that theory.
pedacito de mira.
I'll test it for them so they don't have to endure.
Ay, mira, qué bonito. ¡Bravo! Ahora Leslie, ¿a quién le va a dar?
Babe, what do you have? The one over there.
This one? To Emma from Leslie. This is your turn.
Emma!
A ver, Emma. Go with mommy. Go with mommy. Okay. This is for you. We're gonna open.
She's ready. She's like, I'm done, Dad. Just open this.
Wow.
Emma, cheese.
What is it?
Oh my God. Hey. This one.
What is it?
What is it, Mama?
Wow.
Paquete de peines, madre.
Wow. Oh. That's for you, mama.
You could comb your dad's beard.
Hello? Oh no, it's for you.
Cuando está dormido.
No. No, nunca regreso.
Okay. What did Emma get?
Emma.
You love corn? What did? What about the baby with it? Don't be nice with it.
Emma too.
Oh, that's right.
Emma.
All right, Emma. Hey, vete, mama.
Bravo!
Hey, Emma, go take a picture with Emily. Emma gave you that present.
Aquí, take a picture with sister.
A ver. Cheese to Nana. Okay, got it.
Yeah, open it over here, mama.
Go with sister. Go.
Leslie's excited. She's like, just open it already. Like, what?
Oh my gosh.
What in the world is that?
Oh my God.
Emma, relax. Emma.
It's okay.
It's a nail making kit.
Oh my God.
Full salon.
Oh, huggies. Luego le llamo. Oh. Fingers. Very sweet.
The amount of injuries like this Christmas.
Dejo chacal fuera.
Oye, y Emma no habla.
Not right now, mama. Not right now. A little bit.
Ahora los adúlteros.
Hello? What is that? What'd you say?
Alright, you want to start off?
He's
Already
exhausted.
gave yours.
Let me start because you're yawning.
Yeah?
This is for you.
Yeah!
Mom, I found this for you since I don't ever get no one presents.
You didn't find.
I want to go first.
That's your present. Here.
This is for you,
Go with
Mama.
sister. Have her open it for you.
¡Bravo!
Oh.
Emily, mami, put your tongue.
A ver, madre, a ver.
Que se lo abra, que se lo ponga, que se lo
Qué loco, padre.
I hope she forgives it to me.
Where's the gift receipt?
Vos.
Mama, stop.
Mira vos.
Go, Mama.
Babe, why did you wrap it up like that? I told you, but let's take it.
Difficult.
Oh,
¡Tararara!
that's
Yeah.
fancy.
Y te queda.
Y me queda.
You know what I'm saying?
Beautiful. I like it. Thank you very much.
You're very, very welcome.
Bueno, a mí me tocó una personita muy especial
I knew it was
en mi vida. Me tocó y la quiero mucho. Para mí
La.
siempre lo quiero
Oh.
y siempre está en mis oraciones, en mi mente. Y estoy llorando por ella. ¡Feliz Navidad!
Bravo.
Deseo
I
ponga.
wanna wish you a very good
Ponga, qué bonito.
Emily, sit, Mama. Sit. Not there, look.
Ah, ya me tocaba.
Oh,
my
back at it with the white man.
Oh, that's our favorite, too.
Quedan.
Back at it again.
Yeah. She loves her van.
Claro.
I mean, you're not right now. We,
Let me
we,
borrow that.
we can continue the gift giving.
La gran patita de la gris. ¿Te quedaron, hija?
It's-
Pelo.
It's so difficult to find her shoes, oh.
Ajá, sí, es cierto.
No, al departamento de niños hay que ir a comprar ahí.
Yeah, literally.
Save like 10.
Déjenme decirle, era el único par que había.
Lucky.
Pues especialmente para mí. A mí me tocó una persona un poquito difícil para...
Sí.
Ya
comprarla.
sabemos.
Yeah.
No more detail.
Por favor, pobrecito, perdónalo.
Pero espero que le guste.
Difícil para regalarle, no difícil de personalidad.
Oh my goodness. Thank you, Green.
Yeah, you thought it was me. Cuz.
Yeah.
In your face.
Pues sí.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Yes. Very smart.
Para que ande very comfy.
Ya tú sabes.
Sabe, chico.
Y ahí fue otra cosa.
Yeah, there's one more in there, bro. There's still more in there.
Para que ande oloroso.
chestnut roasting on an open fire.
Bro got the gas.
Oye, nosotros yo iba tomando fotos y ella se perdió con la
Oye,
mujer.
a mí me tocó regalarle a alguien muy especial. Alguien que quiero mucho. Y que
Pero no le vas a dar la
le di consejos de que no se casara conmigo.
I knew it.
Pero es contracorriente.
Yeah.
No me hizo caso.
Thank you. ¡Papel!
¡Papel!
¡Más papel!
Let's see. Oh, okay.
Is that banana?
Y me queda.
Jenny.
Me quedo por ahí. No está la Jenny.
Dang.
That's messed up. Jennifer. Bueno, thank you very much. I love it. Thank you very much. A mí
Time to sit.
me tocó una persona muy especial, muy difícil, dijeron por ahí.
Hey.
Quedan dos.
Y desafortunadamente aquí se cierra un ciclo. Me tocó Junior.
Oh, damn. Hey.
Difícil
Wait,
también.
what'd you get? What'd you get? Nothing.
Yo, you went to the bathroom.
Bro,
No.
Hold on now.
Put it back here. Ooh. Fancy. Elegant. Extra lindo.
Let it be underwear, because I've been...
Ya ando con la última tirita.
Ya.
estabas esperando
Está
que
como el
llegara la
Spider-Man en el tren así.
Daddy.
¡Papel!
Y más papel.
Oh, Lord.
Por si te falta papel del baño.
Aquí me sobra. Yes. Long sleeve, let's go. Yeah, as you can tell, I like long sleeves.
Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
Extra little.
Extra little.
It's okay.
Si no te quedan necios.
I'll just go to the gym. It's fine.
Oh.
Woohoo! Dude, this is
Acá ando
sick.
matching, you know.
I love this.
No, no, ya.
Hell yeah, dude. Double, triple pockets, bro.
Nike.
Para los
Just do it.
snacks.
Just do it.
Just go to the gym.
Oh, I love it, bro.
Dios te está hablando.
Something.
Echa. Yo sí guardo la bolsa.
Hay un mensaje,
Hey.
hay un mensaje subliminal.
Well, if I'm the last one, that was it, right?
Hay que guardar la bolsa. Echa.
Oh.
What about the girl?
Para el otro año.
Sí, yo sí la uso.
Wait, Jenny, faltó Jenny and the girls.
Yeah, so.
Oh, the circle already closed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jenny? Oh, nothing. You.
In Spanish?
Doesn't matter.
Whatever.
I got someone really special. He's really sweet. Me. She's really nice and beautiful.
Too loud.
The weirdest part is because I already knew, you know? Like,
I was just waiting for the word.
Got a big forehead, bro. You got a big, beautiful forehead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate
So cute.
Thank you. I'm gonna need this because I live in a very cold.
Need it.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Para que se bañe.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Got him.
All right. A mí me
Kaylin?
tocó,
No, you start.
girl, a mí me tocó una personita that's very, very talented. The beautiful Caitlin.
Sí, ya supo.
Ya sabía.
She goes,
Paper.
Ya era la misma que me daba.
Oh, I need that.
¿Qué es eso?
Not sharing.
Luego, que no va con...
Me.
It does say
it's just
terrible.
terrible.
Hold up, I gotta see this for next year.
Oh my God, I don't think you'll like this.
I'm someone's gift.
Yes.
You can unwrap it later.
She's gonna rock you later.
What is
nasty.
that? What is
It's a
that?
pen tablet.
It's a graphic design tablet.
And she already has her own PC, bro.
I see my monitor, bro.
You have one. You have one.
I need my setup.
Oh, so you,
Oh, yeah,
draw,
you're
you
right.
draw on that and it goes on the computer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wow. What do you
Whoa.
Wow.
No, it's
Where's my graphic design tablet?
Wow, so aggressive.
What's happening? Are you attacking me or are you
Yeah, we want to
I
know.
hate it.
He's like,
Ya con todo.
I wonder what she got.
This is to a very annoying person
Oh my God.
that never leaves my stuff alone.
Beso.
in other words, I love you, sister.
Sure.
Very nice.
Fancy. Very, very very.
Oh, I might take some of those.
¿Qué son esas?
Ah,
Face mask. ¿Tú las usas mucho?
pues sí, mira, la ocupan.
Coreanas.
¡Bravo! ¡Woo!
Oh,
Nail polish.
Cheeks and lips.
Oh, geez.
No.
And then face wash.
Oh, nice.
Facts.
Facial cleansing wipes.
Oh.
Damn.
Everything
And
there.
then calcetines.
She got the calcetines. Got him.
Tu mamá te robó un palo.
Yeah. Woo, woo, woo.
Oh, look, this is what this
Okay,
is.
so vamos a seguir con los regalos o ya.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or we done till midnight?
¿Qué vamos a hacer?
What you want?
Well, it's 10:12.
It's
Wait,
10:12.
where's that? That'll be 12:10. So.
So, yeah, you put it backwards. Yeah. That makes sense.
What?